Hi there, Missy from missygoesboating.com. Today I am traveling from Garden Bay to the Copeland Islands Marine Park. I'm going to anchor there for a couple of nights, and I'm going to take my dinghy into Lund for a day trip and some adventuring, maybe even a stop at Nancy's Bakery. The trip from Pender Harbour to Copeland Islands Marine Park is 38.5 nautical miles. Roughly halfway is the Beach Gardens Resort and Marina, which is just before Grief Point. They're actually building a beautiful new house on Grief Point adjacent the lateral beacon. Just past this is the Canadian Coast Guard base and the Westview Ferry Terminal, home to the BC Ferry that runs from Powell River to Comox. Further up, I passed Lund on my starboard before heading to the Copeland Islands Marine Park to anchor. It was then a quick 15-minute dinghy ride back to Lund to explore. There's transient moorage, a large dinghy dock, and a ferry service to Savory Island that even carries a few cars. You can lunch at Nancy's Bakery, the Boardwalk Restaurant, or the Lund Hotel. There are a number of artists' boutiques and a fully stocked grocery store with fresh vegetables, liquor, and also hardware supplies. I love this quote on the stairs that says, "Where the highway ends and Desolation Sound begins." Lund is definitely worth a stop.